What you making, Grandpa?
Hey, it's D.I.Y. Grandpa, and I'm here with some ideas and encouragement for projects you can do yourself. Today, I noticed that I've got some patio furniture. It's metal patio furniture, and it's leaving these rust spots on the concrete. And so I noticed that when I turn it over, it's got these feet that are rusty, and the little caps are worn out. So let's see what we can do to repair that. This is a really old patio set, and if you notice, there's these rings in it, and my suspicion is that this was once a cap and it's just been worn down by the concrete, and so we need to replace those. So because this is an old set, there's got to be a lot of them out there, and I went to Home Depot, and guess what? Found these round insert caps by Everbuilt, and they're going to be just perfect. They're going to go right in here, and we're going to have like a new set of shoes on my patio chairs. So let's get started on this chair. I've got to take the old ones out, and that just is a matter of kind of prying them out with a screwdriver here. And then here's the new set of caps, and just open those up, and they're a little bit too hard to just press in by hand, so this is a rawhide mallet, but you can have a rubber mallet or a hammer, or even a piece of wood or something, but just kind of tap those in. Look how easy that is. They just go right in. Tap that in. If you pound too hard, they might either break or just get stuck. So tap lightly, put those in, and no problem. Hey, my chairs have new shoes. That's nice. You can see that the caps are invisible from up above, but when you look down below, they provide just a little bit of space between the metal and the cement, and you won't get those rust stains. Well, it's kind of nice to just be able to have a simple fix on something that you enjoy, like patio furniture. This set has been in our family for, well, since before I was born, and we were able to just do a nice quick repair, and we'll be able to enjoy it. So hope that helps, hope it gives you some ideas, and now I think I need to go into the house and get a snack, a little reward for my efforts. See you next time. If you want to get rid of these stains on the cement, there's a product called CLR, Calcium Lime Rust Remover. You can get it. It's a liquid. You buy it at the hardware store, and just pour some of that on there and use a wire brush to get these stains off.